Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.6% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The Williams Indicator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the oil fall 0.5% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
India's move to commercialize its strategic crude oil reserves is another sign that major Asian importers are taking steps to mitigate the high prices caused by the OPEC Plus group's output cuts. The U.S. dollar hovered just below recent peaks as investors turn to this week's Federal Reserve meeting for clues on the policy outlook. Stronghold, a Bitcoin mining company powered by waste coal, has filed an S-1 form with the SEC for a $100 million IPO on the NASDAQ.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's coincident index will be released at 500 GMT. The Irish retail sales at 1000 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 600 GMT. Japan's leading economic index will be released at 500 GMT. Australia's Consumer Price Index at 130 GMT, the U.S. Fed interest rate decision at 1800 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.